Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going to show you how to prime your fuel pump. So I got a call to come out and jumpstart this vehicle. Customer ran out of fuel and DEF fluid, so she added that and the vehicle still wouldn't start. She watched a couple of videos on YouTube and she still couldn't get it started. So I wanted to show you how I get the fuel pump to prime up on this thing. Okay, so when she was watching the video on YouTube, she ran out of fuel, she added the DEF fluid, and the vehicle still wouldn't start. So she came over, watched the YouTube videos, and came over to the prime pump, which is this thing here, and she plunged the pumper up and down, but the video told her to break this little bleeder valve right here open for whatever reason, and that's not the way to do it because it lets the fuel out and lets the air back. What you want to do is just pump it up until it's nice and hard and it's hard to plunge, and that's going to build up your fuel pressure like so, and then you can go ahead and start it. There you go. And that's how to prime your fuel pump on, what is this, an Isuzu? Yeah, an Isuzu. So there you go, and got it started, and she's good to go. Alright guys, well there you go. That's how to prime your fuel pump on your Isuzu box truck. So if you find yourself in the same predicament and you can't get the truck to start up, just prime that fuel pump and you'll get her going. See you on the next video. Bye.